Hey guys, I'm back for another video. Ain't no time for an intro. Look at that lightning. I'm about to get slammed where I am. Bruh, down in Maple Glen Apartments is about to get slammed. You can see that lightning. Where you going, Lib? Come here. Bro, look at that. I'm about to get slammed, guys. Guys, I'm about to get slammed. Bro, guys, I'm about to... Once again, I will say I'm about to get slammed. Nah. Mom. We're about to get slammed. That lightning ain't stopping. It just keeps on going on and on and on. We're about to get slammed. You know that, Mom? Oh. Nah, look at the weather, man. That's the weather. That's not even... This is a sea-toll radar. You can see where it says that. Bruh. Guys, the wind kicking up too. Nah, like... I'm getting slammed. Bro, my power about to go off. It's a good thing I have a high-powered lantern. Because I'm about to get slammed where I am. Bruh, guys, turn on your news right now. Turn on your news. Turn on your news right now, guys. Right this minute, turn on the news. Don't focus on the video. Focus on the news, my boy. Bruh. Because Cincinnati's about to get slammed. Bruh. You can hear that. Liberty, go to the porch. Guys, I'm about to... Nah. Bro, I'm scared. Hold on. Be quiet. Shh. Be quiet. Don't be yelling. It's nighttime, Lib. Alright, guys. I know I'm getting slammed. I could just tell by how far the lightning is. That lightning looks close. But, bruh, if lightning just... Actually, come on, Lib. Bruh, I'm getting out of the middle of the street. I got a feeling this lightning is just gonna zap down in our apartment complex. Yeah. Bro, what color's the lightning? Oh. This is next level, boy. Follow Bobby, Lib. Guys, I'm about to get slammed. Yeah, I'm definitely getting slammed, guys. For sure. Alright, guys, I'm gonna head over to my friend Shane. Bro, I'm about to get slammed. About to pour down. I just got a feeling it's about to start pouring. Just a couple seconds. Pouring. Yo, Tyler. Tyler.
Who's that with you?
Shane.
What?
We're about to get slammed. Bruh, watch this video on YouTube because you should see
Jeff
lightning that's going on right now. It's just non-stop lightning right now. You can see it. All of Cincinnati about to get slammed.
Okay.
Just wait till you see it when it starts.
Yeah, game all right.
Bro, I'm probably about to stop. The power's about to go out, probably.
Ew.
Boogie, boogie, boogie.
She's staring at you weirdly, Tyler. She's like, damn it,
Smile for the camera. Smile for the camera, Shane. Shane, I'm probably about to lose power. Do that again. You look retarded.
Oh, no.
Powers are probably.
Why did you have to bring your sister with you?
I don't know.
Oh, yeah.
Guys.
Oh, down. Hey. Hey. Oh, do you want to spend the night?
At where? Your house. My mom's gonna say no. Go ask. See ya. Go ask. Ask if you can.
On. On. Okay.
No. It's no.
What the heck did you do?
There's water on here that Tyler spit.
And you're touching his spit?
Not spit. Poured. I was spitting on this.
Yeah. Oh.
Smile for the camera. Smile for the camera.
I can't get on your back. Can I get on your back? Can I get on your back?
No, did you see that? Yes.
He is Chris. He is Chris.
Stop doing that blind.
Chris. He is Pris. He is Pris. You are Pris. You are Pris. You are Pris. You are Pris. Oh. Pris. Bro, it's about the. You are Pris. You suck, Pris. You. You're a Pris. You are Pris. You are Pris. Put your face up to the blind. Fart. Guys, I'm about to get hammered down here. It's pitch black, right? Nope.
Oh my God, it's raining.
Hey Carter, it rained. See, it's raining.
Guys. Ooh. Smile for the camera. Smile for the camera, Tyler. Smile. Smile.
Who is that?
Mama is who it is.
Who is that?
Mama.
Dude, they're creeping around in that woods right there.
Mama. Come on, Luke, go. Go. Sirens. Go, Lib. Run. Guys, tornado sirens are going off right now. Come on, Lib. Tornado sirens are going off right now, guys. And today is not Wednesday of the month. Go, Lib, go. Go, Lib. Bro, they got the sirens going off. Ah! They got the sirens going off.
Oh my God.
They got the sirens going off.
I thought you were in Papa's room. Jesus freaking Christ.
You hear that?
Yep.
Yeah, it's yeah. Get in, Lib.
Yeah, what's it called? Oh shit.
All right, guys, see you.